DIY project, you'll need a candle holder of your choice, decorative Votive candle holders, glass bond glue, and 91% rubbing alcohol. So we're going to start off just by cleaning our candle holder and the Votive holders. So we're going to use our glass bond glue. This glue is very similar to E6000. You're just going to put a little around the edge of the rim of the glass where you're going to place your holder. You're going to line it up until it fits perfectly. And if everything was done properly, this is what you should have. Now you're going to let it dry for at least 1 to 2 hours. Now everything is all dried. You can see I have bling in the back and we are about to start decorating. Just going to align a line of the diamonds going straight up. You'll use your scissors to detach any excess bling. You're going to do the other side the same exact way. One strip going straight up, and then you'll cut any excess bling off. Now I'm just going to do some bling right on the section beneath the crown. So now I'm just going to size it up and cut any excess diamonds off. And because I felt like the adhesive wasn't that strong, I'm going to use some glass bond glue. So I'm just going to lay the diamonds around and press it until I get to the end. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, the same exact steps. Place it and hold it. So to make it even cuter, I'm using these bows that I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to use the silver one. The metallic silver was giving me diamond vibes. I'm just going to place it and I'm going to use the glass bond glue. Press it really hard and it dried pretty quickly. I'm going to use a strip of diamonds to make it look even more beautiful. And we're all done. Thank you for watching. See you next time.